three.
Turn it up. Big wheels keep on turning, carrying me home to Snakin, singing songs about the Southland. I miss Alabama once again, and I think it's a sin. Yes. Well, I heard Mr. Young sing about her. Well, I heard O'Neal put it down.
Oh, damn,
Well,
like this.
Neil Young will remember. I said that man don't need him around anyhow. Sweet home Alabama, where the skies are blue. Sweet home Alabama, Lord, I'm coming home to you.
Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm Colin Hickey, and welcome to this episode of Long Island Outdoors. And on today's episode, we're going to be chasing
Jack?
bluefish and striped bass out in the Long
It
Island
is,
Sound.
Jack.
So I hope you like the video. So on this day, me and my buddies, we were fluke fishing. Fluke bite wasn't too hot today. So all of a sudden, you know,
Let's see, what do we got here?
there wasn't a lot of wind, so there was a
Another
terrible
bluefish.
drift to begin with. But then all of a sudden, one of my buddies looks out in the distance, and we see a bunch of birds diving
Oh.
on the water. It's like, all right, let's go check that out. Paddled out there, and we found out that they were all blitzing on spearing. So we started throwing some like little shiners, like diamond jigs, stuff like that, and then we threw some small yellow plugs, and that seemed to work the best. So, it's kind of cool. Like in the video, you could see all the birds diving on
Yellow.
the water,
Put on a
and
yellow
then
or gold.
it's going to be coming up in the video
Hold on.
quite shortly.
Are
You're
you
going to
going
see
to?
a bluefish in the water next to my kayak, and you're going to see it just take a run away from me. But yes, of course, it's fighting, you
I think I
know,
got a
my
bag.
line, but all of a sudden you're
Yeah.
going to see right following behind it
It's
was
a
a
bag.
shark that tried to eat it.
No,
I've never
no,
had that
it's
happen
bad.
to me before, so that was
Come
kind
here,
of cool to
you.
see, like, you know, experience that. So I'll keep this one short. I hope you guys
Oh,
like
yeah.
the video, and if you like this video, leave a like, and if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel.
Oh, no. Woo!
In Birmingham, they love the governor. Boo, boo, boo. Now we all did what we could do. Now
Look at it,
Watergate does not bother me. Does your conscience bother you? Tell the truth. Sweet home Alabama,
Look at the blue out.
where the skies are blue.
Yep, look at the blue.
Sweet home Alabama.
If I get this thing.
Lord, I'm coming home to you. Here I come.
Come here, you. Come on, come on. Oh, shit! Dude! No, a fucking shark was right in the bluefish. I swear to God. I swear to God. A fucking shark was on a fucking